Hello, this is StormySky Rail Productions here. We are on the CN Waukesha sub, just south of Mukwonago, Wisconsin. Today's Sunday, April 10th, when we're hoping to catch a few trains today. We have about 55 degrees, it's kind of windy, and we got blue skies. At the end of this video, you'll find a link to one of our supporters, Sunnyside Rails. They are the Pacific Northwest. They have a lot of great videos from that area featuring lots of trains. They have model trains, RC cars, off-roading, all sorts of fun stuff. So at the end of the video, there'll be a link, or in the description, you can find a link to click on. Check their channel out, watch a few videos, and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about today's video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.